Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this 3x4 lace front wig by ZSF Hair. Now the hair already came pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more. I wanted to show you guys what the lace is looking like before I install it. This is what one side looks like and that is the other. I love the fact that this wig came pre-plucked, so plucking on this wig was pretty much very easy. Now this is what the inside looks like. Excuse the white patches, that's bleach that I forgot to wash off, but it does have combs for extra security on the inside. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Now I will say the wig did fit kind of small on my head. I did have to kind of like pull it forward a little bit just to adjust it to make sure that it fit properly. And I also wanted to show you guys that this is a 3x4, but it does have a lot of parting space. This hair has a lot of versatility. You guys can do a lot of different styles with this hair. And if I did forget to mention, this hair is 180% density, so this hair was very thick. So now you guys are going to see me cutting the lace before I go ahead and glue it down. And off camera, I already went ahead and cut off the extra lace that's near the ears. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my bolt hold and glue down the lace. And for the sake of this video, I'm only going to take my bolt hold and only use one layer. If you guys want more longevity and you would like to keep your wig on longer, I would suggest using maybe 2 or 3 layers. But for the sake of this video, since I'm only going to be wearing this wig for maybe like a day or two, I'm just going to go ahead and do 1 layer. Now, I will say that I would wait until the layer is completely clear before you go ahead and put the lace down. You never want to put lace down on white glue because then it'll transfer and it'll get all messy. It'll just look a mess. So now I'm just going to go ahead and bring my lace forward and bring my hair down so that it'll stick, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the other sides. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off now that the glue is completely dry. Now you will see me cutting a little bit of extra lace because the wig did fit a little bit small on my head, so I cut a little bit extra lace to cover my edges. It'll all look good in the end. It might look a little crazy now, but you guys trust the process. I promise it'll look good at the end. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to cut the rest of the lace off. After I went ahead and glued the lace down, I realized that the hairline was looking a little gray. I usually put foundation underneath my lace before I go ahead and glue it down, but for some reason this time I forgot, so I went ahead and put some powdered foundation on top. It might look a little crazy now. Trust the process, you guys. Again, it'll look good all in the end. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to put powdered foundation all over my hairline just to make sure that it blends. Now, after everything is said and done, you want to go ahead and take Lotta Body mousse and put it on the hairline just to start the melting process so the lace can start to melt into your skin. Now, after I go ahead and put all of the mousse along my hairline so that it can melt in, I'm going to go ahead and take a long band and put it around my head. While I start the melting process, I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb along my hair just to make sure that everything is nice and flat, because we love a flat frontal. So I'm just going to continue to do that until I take my band off. Now, after I took the band off, I still wasn't satisfied, so I just went ahead and added some more powdered foundation just to make sure that it blended even more. I'm just going to continue to do this until I am happy with my results. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take some styling gel and create some baby hairs. I feel like this wig is the definition of trust the process, because once I lay the baby hairs down, everything just comes all together. Trust me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do that on both sides. And that is it. That is the end of the tutorial, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.